Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk-around startup and drive video for you on a 1972 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Now, this gorgeous blue truck has a mild-built small block engine in it, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, got disc brakes on the front, vintage heat and air conditioning, serpentine pulleys, brand new set of billet specialty wheels with new tires, highly detailed engine compartment. Check out this. Wow, what a gorgeous truck. Painted to match under the hood, firewall, inner fenders, bottom side of the hood. Look at the pulley system on it. Brand new, everything. Engine was rebuilt. All the pulleys are new. This is such a great looking truck. New AC compressor, new power steering pump, new Power Master alternator, new billet hood hinges. Just a very, very sharp pickup. Very well built. Beautiful tan leather seat. Matching door panels and headliner, dash pad. Billet wooden steering wheel. Headliner, visors, dash pad, all very nice. Dakota digital dash, retro stereo. AC blows cold. Might have to tighten that belt up a little bit. Kick panel speakers. Left turn, right turn. Bright headlight indicator. Yeah, buddy. You want to go with me? Okay, we're going to go here in a minute. Come on, buddy. Okay. Isaac said he wants to come along, so spray on bed liner, the whole bed, tailgate. Beautiful color. Just a gorgeous color. Sits right, looks right. Got one little chip right here. I will touch that up. I don't even know how that got chipped. Drop spindles, lowering springs on it. Long tube headers are brand new. This piece right here does have a couple little blemishes in it. I don't know, it's got a couple little dings in it, so I wanted to show you that. And then it's got one small little chip right here that we'll touch up. Other than that, I don't see any imperfections in it that I see anyway. Gorgeous pickup. her out for a spin. You ready to go, Isaac? You ready to go, buddy? Isaac John, he's coming. Isaac John. You know him?
Yeah.
I know that guy.
I know that guy too.
He's a pretty good guy, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
You want me to hold it? Okay. Yep, that Isaac John. He's a pretty nice guy. There we go.
Bright.
Hmm?
It's really bright.
What's bright? This truck?
No, the sun.
The sun? Yeah, the sun is bright, isn't it, buddy?
Dad.
Yeah?
When are we gonna go to the races?
We're gonna go to the races just in a little bit here.
Is it gonna be cold?
No, it shouldn't be too bad.
Okay. So Dad, how far away is the races? Dad, how much minutes or hours away is the races?
Good running, driving truck. 60 mile an hour right down the road. My gas gauge is on E, so I hope that means enough. Does E mean enough? Or does E mean empty?
I think it means
Oh no. Hope we don't run out of gas, Isaac. Otherwise you're gonna have to walk.
I'm down. I'll walk.
I'm down. I'll walk, he says. What a nice running, driving pickup. Air blows cold, radio works.
It's freezing.
The horn don't work. What the heck?
So you can't honk on people.
Well, I know.
It's kind of fun to honk on It's kind of fun to honk at people.
I know. We need to get the horn working, don't we?
So you can honk at people.
That's the least of any worries, Isaac. We can get that horn working.
And like,
Seems like that's a common issue. It's like nobody ever makes the horn work on these vehicles. Probably
yeah.
4 out of 10, 5 out of 10 you get in, you hit the horn, they don't work. I don't know. We'll make sure the horn works, folks. Oh, I didn't. Let me get out and walk around here quick. I'll be right back, Isaac.
Okay.
There you go. That way you can see it outside. It's a gorgeous color no matter if it's inside or outside, but I think it even looks prettier inside or outside. You're a goofball. You're a goofball. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. Kinion Auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So give us a call. Again, 563-452-2450. Hope you all have a great weekend. Please hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of this video. That way you never miss another great quality collector car from Kinion Classics. And if you have already subscribed, thank you very much. Much appreciated. We got a couple more to do.